Hey there, welcome back to Comfy Cat Yoga. My name is Phoenix and we're on day 11 of our Milla Movement Challenge. Today we're going to be doing a flow that will wake up our shoulders and our neck, relieve some tension there. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and maybe grab a towel, a yoga strap, and roll out your mat and we'll get started. Starting in a nice comfortable position here, we're going to start rolling our shoulders. Nice full range of motion, while also connecting with our breath. Eventually syncing our shoulders and our breath together. Maybe noticing where the tension is living. We're going to do one shoulder, then the other, and both together. And then coming back to center, relaxing, noticing our breath for a couple moments. Amazing job. Ask your body where you're feeling your tension, where you're holding your stress. We'll try to relieve that as much as possible today through our practice. We're going to start drawing little circles with our nose, starting to engage the neck, making those circles bigger, eventually going the full range of motion all the way around. The chin is almost touching each shoulder, going all the way up, going all the way down to the chest. We're going to switch directions, coming back to center, and then starting with our little circle again. Making it bigger. Eventually going that full range of motion, feeling the stretch in each side of your neck as you go, being sure that your chin is dropping all the way to your chest, going all the way up to the sky, and going to each shoulder. Go ahead and come back to center. Grab your towel or your yoga strap, or whatever you happen to have. It could be a belt as well, even like a scarf that's not going to rip. We're going to hold each side of our towel or strap. We're going to inhale, bringing the arms up nice and straight, sending them behind the head slightly so we can feel our shoulder blades coming together. Reduce how far you are backwards. If you're feeling any pain or pinching, we're trying to stretch these muscles. We're not trying to re-injure them. Continue holding nice and strong. And we're going to dip our arms over to the left side of the body, bending the top arm so it's over our head. Breathing here, and then going over to the other side. Trying to keep your arms straight for as long as possible before they need to bend. And coming back to center. We're going to go forward. We're going to twist to the left side, holding it there. We're going to twist to the right side, holding it there. Going to bring it back to center, and we're going to start making some circles, trying to keep the arms nice and straight. Your elbow might bend just a little bit, especially if you have a particularly short belt or towel. The longer your belt or your scarf is, the easier that this will be, so you can hold farther out on it. Switch directions. Feeling any tension, feeling the muscles warm in the shoulders, and then relaxing. Maybe roll the shoulders back, maybe roll them forward. Noticing any difference in your stress or tension there. We're going to set our belt or our towel aside for a moment, coming into tabletop. Stacking the shoulders over the wrists, the hips over the knees. We're going to bring our right arm out and thread the needle, trying to rest on our shoulder, side of our head resting on the mat. Trying not to put too much weight into our neck. It's just there for stability. Putting more weight into the standing hand if you need to, or untwisting a little bit if you start to feel any pain. On your inhales, find the tension. On your exhales, let it go. Go ahead and come up. We're going to switch sides, sending the left arm out and then threading it through. Breathing into the tension or the stress, releasing it with the exhale. Adjusting your weight or your twist as much as you need to. Go ahead and come back up. We're going to curl the back toes under, sending the hips up and back into our downward dog, pushing through the shoulders, really trying to stretch them out here. While you're in this position, maybe nod yes, nice and slow. Engaging the neck with our shoulders. Maybe shake the head no. Giving yourself a little pause on each side. And then dropping the knees, dropping the backs of the feet, coming into cobra. Maybe tilting the head up and back, staying engaged through the neck. Finding the tension and releasing it. Go ahead and come up onto the knees again. Going to send the knees out to the sides of the mat, big toes facing towards one another, pushing the hips back, sliding the hands across the mat. to our extended child's pose, resting the head or the chin on the mat. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the neck, and relaxing the spine. Breathing here, melting the tension, allowing the body to relax. Go ahead and come back up. We're going to come to a laying down position now. Nice and slow. Straightening the legs. Putting the arms to the side. We're going to move into a fish pose here. So you're going to curl the back, trying to bring the shoulders under, bringing the crown of the head to the mat so that you have this arch here. This will stretch our shoulders. You can rest the hands on the ribs. Remember to breathe normally. You can put a block or a bolster under your spine here as well. And then coming back to our relaxed laying down position. We're going to bring our right arm up. We're going to grab the forearm with the left and pull it over to the left side of the body. Kind of like a reclined twist. You can do an underhanded grip as well if that feels better. Try not to pull on a joint, so don't pull directly on your wrist. Go ahead and come back to center. Repeating on the other side, bringing that left hand up, grabbing it with the right, and pulling it over to the right side of the body. Go ahead and release. Maybe stretch the arms out, bringing them above the head and letting them rest there. Keeping the chest nice and open, trying to pinch the shoulders back. And then coming down, coming into our Savasana. Take some nice deep breaths. Allow any remaining tension that you have to dissipate. Maybe closing the eyes or softening the gaze. Awesome work. When you're ready, go ahead and come up to a comfortable seated position. Rolling the shoulders, whatever you need to do to end our practice. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste, take peace. And if you enjoyed this, please let me know what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you later.